Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward but essential: how to log into your Capital One online banking account. Whether you're a new user or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you accessing your accounts in no time. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have a stable internet connection and your login credentials handy. Your username and password are your keys to the kingdom, so keep them safe. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Type in the Capital One website address, that's CapitalOne.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the homepage with a prominent Sign In or Log In button, usually at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you'll be directed to the login page. Here, enter your username in the first field. This is often the email address or username you set up when you created your account. Next, type in your password carefully. Remember, passwords are case sensitive, so double check those caps and numbers. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, which is a great security feature, you'll receive a code via text, email, or an authenticator app. Enter that code when prompted to verify your identity. Once everything is entered correctly, hit the Login button. Voila! You should now be logged into your Capital One dashboard, where you can view your accounts, check balances, transfer money, and more. If you run into any issues, like an error message saying invalid credentials, double-check your entries or try resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. A quick tip: always log out after you're done, especially on shared devices, to keep your information secure. And if you're new to online banking, consider enabling alerts for suspicious activity. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.